So last Saturday, we went to UST. So these are electrical engineering student graduating. So nag-collaboration tayo sa UST. Meron naman silang binigay na token of appreciation. So dito from project head ng UST, course coordinator si Engineer Kapili, saka department chairman ng electrical si Engineer Gutierrez, at meron din certificate for Moses Committee binigay. And then meron din para sa amin binigay a certificate of recognition for being one of the speakers during this Infinity and Beyond Symposium. Meron din ano pa to? Ano yan UST gift check, Starbucks, no? From BSEE for EE Batch 2. Starbucks gift check. Saka Aqua Plus. Ano mga nasa loob ng Aqua Plus? Aqua Plus. Termo, no? Ganda. Sports type na termo, no? UST pala, ano? Meron tayong magandang remembrance. Okay. So, ganito pala sila, no? Product nila. Okay. And then, meron mga bagong data. Independent Electricity Market Operator. Annual report nung last year lang, December of last year. Ito yung annual report tungkol sa electricity market sa Pilipinas. Ito, so ilang taon na, 2021 to 2024 data nila. Oil-based, iba-iba, no? Solar plant. Ito ang performance ng solar plant.